Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be stretching this wash and go that I've been wearing for the last couple of days. But first, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit the button below and the bell, and we'll hop straight into this video. So this is day 3 hair, and you can see that my hair is fully shrunken. My previous video where I did the wash and go, I'll leave the link here for you to go and check it out. But today I'm going to be stretching my hair out just so that I can get a little bit more extra days out of this wash and go before I wash it, and to have a little bit more length to my hair. So I'm going to be showing you how I stretch my hair out. So the first thing that I've got is some bands to separate my hair, and some clips, and of course you're going to need a blow dryer. So what I'm going to do first is just section my hair out, and then I'm going to work in small sections. So I've just put my hair into 4 sections, and I'm going to be working on this back section first. As you can see, my curls are really fine, but it's definitely shrunken. So I'm just going to take a small piece out. So I've got my section here. So I'm just going to stretch the curls out a little bit. I'm not going to be interfering with the ends, but I just want to make sure that they're all nice and separated. And then what I'm going to do is take the blow dryer on medium heat and low speed, and I'm just going to stretch this section out. And as you can see, the section is a little bit longer, and my ends are still really curly. You can see where I've not blow dried. And my hair sits a little bit longer on my shoulder. I'm just going to keep doing that to the rest of my hair, and then I'll show you as I go along the differences in the length of my hair. So you can see this section compared to this section here that had been stretched already. Okay, so this is the back section done. And you can see the ends of my hair is still really defined, with just the roots stretched out. With this section here, it's the last piece at the top. So I'm not going to do the top side just so that I can keep some of the curls at the top. So I'm just going to do the bottom side just a little bit. This is one side done. You can see how much more body my hair has and how much more length my hair has as well. I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side. So you can see how much more stretched out this side is compared to this side of my hair. So this is one side, and this is the other side. So this is my hair after I've finished stretching it. I'm just going to do up my edges and pick it a little bit more. I'm going to be using the Aunt Jackie to my edges edge control. And the brush. I'm not very good with edges, but I'm gonna give it a go. I don't really have that many either. Okay guys, this is my finished result, and as you can see, my hair is definitely fuller, longer, and a bit more fluffier. I'll show you the back quickly. So yeah, this is what I do to stretch my hair out. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.